Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Dell monitor HDMI port is not working. Okay, Dell monitor or Dell system. So HDMI port is not working. So how to fix? Check the HDMI cable on monitor. Test the HDMI cable another TV or monitor. Try to HDMI cable. Try different HDMI cable. Make sure your monitor is set correct. HDMI port input output is check it. Then click to start. Next step. Then click to setting. Then click system, then click to device, sorry, display, and then find out the multiple display. So you can see it is detected or not. So let's click to detect. If you are getting this issue, and then close it. Then click to start, click open any browser, and then type Intel UHD graphic driver. Okay, sometime your laptop graphic card is corrupt, that's mean you are getting this issue. Scroll down, graphic, click on graphic, scroll down. This is first one, 11 and 14 generations. Click to download. After that it will start. Okay, and open new window and type also Dell chipset laptop driver download Windows 11. First link, click on it, scroll down. This is a chipset driver and click to download. Same as it is, it will start it like this, and it will complete because of this is 10 MB file. Okay, so it is completed, and then open it. After that click to install, and then next, accept, install. Now this is installing. You can see it is completed. Chipset device, it's installed, and then close it, then close. Then again new tab to type Dell HDMI driver Windows 11. So USB 3.02 HDMI USB driver. Click to scroll down, and this is download icon. Click to download. Otherwise you can go to back, and this is also option, so you can download. Okay, so it is started, and this is graphic also need to download. Then it is completed, the graphic driver, and open it. Now this is extracting to your system for the installation. For you can see must be required this .NET, so click to now. After that it completed, then need to restart your system. Okay, thank you.